Hi, Vadim here. In just a few minutes, I'll lead you through the key steps. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me share with you how to decide if you need multiple Chrome profiles, for example for work, personal or projects. Here's my problem. I'm not sure if I should create multiple Chrome profiles or just keep everything in one. I don't want any extra complexity if it doesn't help me. But here's my situation. I have work and personal profiles that I should not mix. I use corporate Gmail, which is frequently used in educational organizations in the United States. And I don't want any links, bookmarks, history or logins from my personal browsing to show up when I'm doing screen sharing demos using Google Meet, Zoom or Teams. Here's the simplest solution I'm going to suggest to you. We'll use separate Chrome profiles when you live in different modes. We'll create a profile called Work and we'll create another one called Personal. In this browser, I only have one profile and I logged in into Google with the same account. You see the circled O in both places. Profile icon is in the browser toolbar. Google account icon is on the application level inside the browser. I'm going to rename an existing profile into Work and create a new profile called Personal. To rename the existing Google profile, you click on the profile icon and select Manage Chrome Profiles. Here we can click Edit Profile and we'll name this profile Work and then close the settings. In the next step, I am going to add a new profile and call it Personal. To do this, you click on the profile icon and select Add Chrome Profile. Here you have a choice. You can create a profile with signing in or without signing in. I'm going to continue without a new account. And I'm going to name this profile Personal. I'm going to select a different color to differentiate into browsing modes and click Done. As you can see, Google created two browser instances. There are two different Chromes with two different profiles. One is the original with the Work profile and another one is Personal. We can actually put them side by snapping the windows so you can see the difference. The Work profile is on the left and the Personal profile is on the right. And here's the best way to use it. You use Work only for work tasks during the day and then you switch to Personal for lunch, breaks and evenings. And this is how it's going to help you. When you open the Work profile, everything's already in the work mode. Correct inbox, correct tools, no personal distractions. And if you're like me and doing personal shopping, you can do it in the Personal profile. And you can do it in the evening or outside of work hours.